Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow direct messages from server members on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the emoji button down below on the right side corner. Tap on privacy and safety, scroll down to the server privacy defaults option, and here you can find the allow direct messages from server members option, meaning that if you click on this button on the right side and tap on yes, this setting is applied when you join a new server. It does not apply retroactively to your existing servers as it is written below. So now it has been turned on, meaning that you will be able to allow direct messages from server members. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.